Feel one with nature in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where eco-conscious brands such as Alpina are transforming sustainable ideas into champion-worthy footwear. As a development-oriented manufacturer, Alpina has been profoundly changing the way shoes are produced, used, and perceived for more than 70 years. Today, its top engineers and experts continue to research new materials and develop unconventional solutions in functional design, making Alpina the first choice of more than 140 Olympic and World Cup athletes, as well as the first producer of an eco-friendly and biodegradable cross-country skiing boot.
We are passionate about our goals, and we are big on ideas. Every shoe that comes out of our development cycle bears traces of our heritage and our innovation spirit. We have been using new technologies and materials to push the boundaries in footwear design since 1947. Our philosophy of manufacturing high-quality products stands the test of time, and so do our sustainably designed shoes.
Top knowledge and high standards are ingrained into all of Alpina's sports and fashion footwear, a fact which is proven by 3 Red Dot Design Awards and 12 Olympic medals won in Alpina boots. With green products such as the Elite 3.0 boot, the only boot on the World Cup circuit made without PVC materials, Alpina is setting the industry trend in ecological footwear design. And by being green, creative and smart, it is an example of the keen Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Create your own footprint in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.